Have you ever frantically searched for a past credit card statement right before a major financial decision, only to realize you have absolutely zero idea how to actually find it? Yeah, it's stressful. But managing your finances efficiently is the absolute cornerstone of financial health, and knowing exactly how to pull your digital statements, like a NetSpend account statement, is a huge part of that. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we are walking step by step through mastering your digital financial records so you can budget better, catch any of those sneaky unauthorized transactions, and really take total control of your money. Let's dive in.
Okay, let's quickly map out our agenda for today. We're going to cover the paperless payroll shift, our hardware and software needs, how to download statements, account features and rewards, and finally, troubleshooting in public records.
All right, Section 1, the paperless payroll shift. To understand why mastering these digital portals is absolutely crucial, we have to look at the massive shift in how we actually handle money today. Think about this. For a typical U.S. employer, 80% of wages are now strictly digital. That means they are deposited directly to a chosen bank account or a flexible prepaid card, like NetSpend, leaving only 20% on paper. NetSpend has become super popular because it lets users receive direct deposits and manage their money without needing a traditional bank account. And since the vast majority of us are dealing with invisible digital money, having easy, on-demand access to your statements is literally essential for tracking your spending habits. Moving right along to Section 2, hardware and software needs.
You can't manage what you can't see, right? So before you even attempt to log in to request a statement, let's make sure you have the basics. You just need a few foundational things to securely view your electronic records. You'll need a device, like your smartphone or a computer, a reliable internet connection, and a current web browser with cookies enabled. You're also going to need a valid email address tied to your account and a program that can actually read PDF files, like Adobe Acrobat. Once you've got this baseline tech ready, you are good to go.
Section 3, how to download statements.
Now for the fun part. When you actually need your statement, you've got a really clear choice to make. You can use the robust online download method through a web browser, which is your verified go-to route for getting perfectly formatted, printable PDFs. Or, if you're out and about, you can use the in-app download method, which is fantastic for on-the-go viewing, quick printing, or sharing directly from your phone. We're going to break down exactly how to do both.
Let's start with the web browser route to get that verified, printable PDF. It's just 6 simple steps. First, sign in to the NetSpend online account center at netspend.com. Next, open up the Account tab. From there, select Statements and simply choose the specific month you're looking for. Open that statement up and use the print action to save a copy straight to your device as a PDF. And here is a pro tip. Always take a quick moment to review the account number, the issuer, and the month at the very end to ensure perfect accuracy, especially before you use it for anything official.
Now for you app users out there, the path is incredibly similar. Open up the NetSpend app, sign in, and navigate over to Account. Tap on Statements, choose the month you need, and view it. From there, you can use the available print, share, or save options right there on your screen. But here's a vital troubleshooting tip for you. If you can't quite figure out the app sharing options, or if you need a strictly verified PDF format for a lender or landlord, just pivot back to the online account center on a computer. It's always a safe backup.
Section 4, account features and rewards. To really optimize your budget, it helps to compare the tools of a modern digital account against a traditional retail card. Take a store card like the Belk Rewards MasterCard, for example. It offers retail-specific bonuses, things like a birthday reward and exclusive savings days. But a digital platform like NetSpend, it focuses heavily on active money management and your peace of mind. So instead of just shopping perks, you get online budgeting tools, anytime alerts to remind you when you're getting close to your spending limits, and strict SSL encryption to keep your data totally secure.
And hey, whenever you're dealing with rewards, checking those statements and knowing the fine print is literally money in your pocket. For instance, check out this specific Belk Rewards policy. You can combine rewards, sure, but if your purchase is less than the value of the reward dollars you're redeeming, the remaining balance is completely forfeited. You just lose the difference. This right here is exactly why regularly pulling your records and understanding your specific account rules is absolutely critical to managing your money well.
Finally, Section 5, troubleshooting and public records.
We've all been there. You're logged in, ready to go, and bam! You hit a wall with an error message just like this one. First rule, don't panic, and definitely don't furiously click refresh 100 times. The immediate practical solutions are actually really simple. Give the page one clean refresh. If that fails, try loading the portal in a completely different browser, because browser compatibility is a super common glitch. If you're still locked out after that, your best bet is to just call customer service directly. They can usually clear it up in minutes. Now, what if you want to look beyond your own personal statement and actually check the financial health of the companies backing these services? You can access total financial transparency for parent companies like Axos Financial by pulling their SEC public filings. You actually have 4 reliable channels to do this. You can visit the SEC Public Reference Room in Washington, D.C., call the SEC directly, visit sec.gov, or just go straight to the company's website to access their free quarterly and annual reports. It's really the exact same concept as pulling your personal statement, just on a massive corporate scale.
To wrap things up, I want to leave you with this thought. How are you going to optimize your own digital record keeping now that you have the exact tools to navigate everything from a mobile NetSpend statement to a corporate SEC filing? Taking active control of your financial data starts with just one single download. Now, a quick disclaimer before we go. While this guide is based on the latest available information, financial technology changes rapidly, so always check directly with your institution for the most current instructions. Keep practicing these digital habits and be sure to subscribe and join us next time as we break down the mechanics of credit scores. Keep learning and stay focused.